Hi, this is Ira Sensei. Yeah. Real coffee. How's it going, everybody? My name is Yudai. Alright, I'm going to teach you guys some pitch accent today. Today's lesson is going to be about Suzuki and Yamaha. Alright. What's wrong with these? Suzuki, Yamaha. Haha. Sounds so American. I like it. But in Japanese, they're pronounced as heiba. Alright? Suzuki, Yamaha. It just goes up and stays flat. Low, high, high. LHH. Okay? Suzuki, Yamaha. I mean, you could say Suzuki or Yamaha, but it kind of sounds like my dialect. It's kind of funny. The real question is, does pitch accent matter? Let me put it this way. So in English, there are so many varieties of English. British, American, Irish, Scottish, that kind of stuff. I think in most dialects, this is pronounced banana, or just banana, whatever, right? But this, something like this, kind of changes, depending on the region. Adult or adult. I could just pronounce it whatever I want, right? Banana or banana, whatever, right? That's a problem. No, these kind of words do not really change depending on the region. So yeah, same thing in Japanese. So something like this, inu. Yeah, this is pronounced inu in Kansai. But mizu, this is the same in Kyoto ben or Osaka ben. It's just mizu, high high, not low high. If we want to speak natural Japanese, you want to understand there are different pitch groups. Inu, odaka, mizu, heiba. By themselves, they sound the same. Inu, mizu. But when a particle is attached to it, inuga, inuga. Low, high, low. It goes up and down. And mizuga stays flat. Mizuga, low, high, high. That's the difference. Okay?